How to delete your Cash App account. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your Cash App account. So let's get started. First, you'll have to open up your Cash App. Now make sure that you cash out all of your cash first. Make sure that your balance is empty, and after you do that, you'll be ready to delete your Cash App account. So after you're on your Cash App, you'll need to tap on your profile that's on the top right. After you do that, there you will see a support option. Tap on support. After you tap on support, you'll need to search for delete account. Now go to the search bar of support and there just type in delete account. After you do that, you'll just get redirected to this close my Cash App account option right here. You'll need to confirm, and after you tap on confirm, it will give you a warning or something like what they will do after you close your accounts, like they are required to store the transaction details that you previously made and stuff like that. So after you do that, confirm your deletion, and after you do that, your Cash App account will get deleted. So it's basically that simple, guys. That is how you delete your Cash App account. Thanks for watching.